bag or something like that?
Go. Go. This is how the kids play superhero.
Come on, come on.
Oh. Oh, he snuffed her. Well, you better not let that boy beat you up. So use your superpowers. Stop running. Oh.
Don't let him catch you slipping now.
But, oh, you getting beat up.
Let's fight.
They're fight. This is the battle music.
Oh. I don't even know if I should be condoning this or not, but it's like they're gonna do it anyways. Where the weapons at? Where the weapons at?
They said they use their powers to fight.
Okay, I can do this.
Lala, no, that's not nice.
Okay, I got him.
She said you missed. Oh, there you go.
Fight, Lola. You can get me now.
Okay, Lala, stop. Get down. Get down. KJ, what you gonna do? What you gonna do, KJ?
Yeah.
Oh, oh, you better watch out. KJ coming.
Yeah.
KJ coming. Oh God, black eyes coming. Oh, oh, oh my gosh. This is what happens when cousins are like back to back in age and they're the same size. Oh shit, she got the wand. She gonna turn you into a frog. Oh,
She bum rushed him.
oh, get him,
Hey, she
get him. Oh, oh, that's hard. Oh, wait. Okay, okay. Ding, 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 ding. Wait, I need you to go in that corner. Go get your weapons. Go get your guns. Go get your knives. Where your nunchucks at?
It's in the car.
Oh,
I can't find it.
oh.
It's in the car.
Go get the sword.
Okay.
After this, Titi gotta go. All right, we're waiting for the Kamari and Lala standoff. Are you ready for the show, Ray?
Yes, this is going to be insane. And I'm ready to bear witness to every second.
And this is the music playing.
That's the battle music.
Hey, battle music. Battle music.
I can't find Jason's sword. I found my sword.
She said, I got my sword now.
I'll find some. Not that. And
No sword?
no.
Uh-oh.
Now Jay have to
You don't
fight
got
like
no
that.
gun?
Now Jay have to fight like this.
Well, you guys can't fight fair. You have to fight fair. Watch it.